y'all, welcome to Print-A-Party.com planner and tutorial video. In this video, I am showcasing our beautiful recipe collections that we have. We have these in planner size, we also have these in binder size, and we have multiple different collections. Today I am showcasing the cookie dough collection, which comes with, I believe, 6 already filled out recipes for you to try, as well as some blank pages. We have a printable option. We also have an editable option, so you can literally edit this template to add your own recipes. I'm going to show you how to do both in this video. And just note that all of our collections for the recipes, for the planners and the binders, all print and behave like this. So even though I'm showcasing cookie dough, this works for all of them. So let's go. Head to the website Print-A-Party.com. On the left, click the Planner Binder section and choose Recipe and Meal Planning. Here you will see all of the various DIY cookbooks we have available. As I said, I'm showcasing the cookie dough collection in this video, so here's the file once it's downloaded, and I'm getting ready to print. If you want to print it double-sided, make sure to choose double-sided printing and to flip on long edge. This ensures when it prints out, it reads like a book. This is simple enough to print out on any home printer, and dotted lines make it easy to know where to cut out for the planner size. If you choose the binder size, no cutting is necessary. Once it is all cut out, binding is easy. Take your planner binder and hole punch and insert into your planner. If you have the binder size, simply use a 3-hole punch. Then simply insert into your planner or binder and you have your very own DIY cookbook. Remember, you can print as many blank pages as you need to add your own recipes to this collection. Here's a quick flip through of the binder size. So for the editable version, you will get a link sent to you via PDF, which will lead you to here. This is a template created by me in Canva. Canva is a free software you can use online. You would just click hit or use template and you will see that the recipe card will load. It is double-sided for easy printing, and you will see all of these boxes are available for you to type on and add your ingredients. You can add some notes, the number it serves, preps and cook time. It is 2 recipes long, so that way if you do 2 at a time, you can download it and print it double-sided very easily. So here I'm just going to show you how you can type a recipe. And then, yeah, you can just start typing your ingredients, directions, everything. If you don't have any notes or you want to just leave this blank, just simply delete that box. When you are done typing out your recipes, you then go up to Share, click Download, choose PDF Print, and it will download on your computer as a PDF where you can then print double-sided for your planner or binder in your DIY cookbook. At the time of filming, the following DIY cookbook recipe collections are already available online at Print-A-Party.com, and more are being created all of the time. We have 30-minute dinners, beef dinner collection, chicken dinner collection, cookie collection, cookie dough collection, pasta collection, slow cooker collection, soup collection, Thanksgiving recipe collection, and Christmas recipe collection. As always, thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you found this video on our DIY cookbook helpful. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I post again. I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.